Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy CGTheGenius, back here with another match playing for Port St. Lucie. My original team Palm Bay match rescheduled, so I was available to come and play again today. So hopefully I have a good performance. Remember to like, share and subscribe and enjoy the footage. Stay blessed. So Ian Phillips and Mark Pinnock opening the innings today. Ian faces first and faced a couple of balls, but it was not long before a beautiful outswinging delivery got him for a duck. In at 3 came in Azim. First ball up for him. Lovely stroke. He's off the mark. So Mark was dropped early in his innings. Got an extra life, and immediately after he made good use of it. That was a lovely 6 through the extra cover, and Mark just continued making them pay. Not a boundary. Ooh, did I just say another boundary? Well, another boundary again. Boundaries just flowing all over. After brief period where there was just no run, a few singles, batsmen were really picking it up, but not long after Azim fell, that one just poked straight into the fielders. In at number 4 is Calvin. He was off the mark immediately, and surprisingly Mark got another chance. So at the break, we were at 72 for 2. And immediately at the start, Mark back in the boundaries. And he didn't plan to stop. He just kept on going, and that was his 50. Second consecutive 50 for this man. This man is on top form. And you can't be bowling those things to a man of Mark's caliber. Not a 6. Whew. Doesn't matter what they do. It's going to the boundary. Ooh, will that one make it all the way? Let's see. Yes, it did. 6 more runs. Just look at that. Playing through the V. Full flowing. Not a 6. When will he stop? I guess not for now, because that one seems as if it's another 6. Seems as if Mark was just doing it in boundaries. Didn't want to run any singles. So Calvin got jealous, tried to get into action, but got bowled unfortunately. So in at 5 is Charles Reed, the veteran. First ball up, defended it well. Mark continued and straight down the ground. Bowler thought he got him, but it was another 6, and with this 6 brings up his century. The first century I've seen Mark Pinnock made. Heard it's his second though, but he continued to score boundaries, and on he goes. What the? Come on, Mark, you should have finished not out, bro.
Yeah, you not out, man.
So in at 5 comes CG.
Well, ball boy. Well, cut him off. You want 2 or 1? Alright, 1. Yeah, that was gonna do it, ball boy.
When you ball past you, look them quick, but when you go come get hit, you got them slow shit, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Boy, if I try hit the ball too hard.
Too hard, wait on him, man.
Oh.
He come slow.
Yeah, that's the thing, cause I don't want to hit and let them catch it.
Okay.
So, but work on it.
Yeah, man.
2 more left, Miss Home.
Yeah.
Two.
I coming. Go off the stick.
6. Two.
Come back. That's your ball.
Two.
I coming.
Had to wait for it.
Yeah, no, we can't go to it.
Two.
Ball.
Alright, stay, pa. Come on.
So after 20 overs, we made 195. Opening the bowling for us is Reedy again, and as always, starts very steady. On the other end, Captain Tucker Jr. bowlers finger spin. Almost a chance there. This little youngster trying with all his might, but didn't go that far. How did he even get that off the stumps? Ooh, more urgency there, and it could have been a chance. Really continued, and will this be? Yes, it seems as if it's a run out, and we have our first wicket. Really continues, and batsman jabs that one down. Why is this batsman playing so tentative? Goodlit came into the attack, and that one was short, had some pace, and it was flicked over for their first boundary. Was still short again, no protection on the leg side, and it's another boundary. Poor bowling, Goodlit. Started to do the right thing, got a dot, but back to short, and these batsmen love the pace. Another 4. Goodlit, you need to recover, bro. When Lenward comes from the other end, causing some damage, and this one was sharp, but it seemed as if mistimed, and he was out. Not a wicket. So the new batsman came in, and he almost fell to the same fate, but this one just didn't go to the fielder. Goodlit came back, and he was bowling better. That one was a good slower ball. That was some good pace, but batsman managed to squeeze a single. That was a lovely straight drive by the batsman. Deserved 4, but field is too slow. And he tried to get more benefit, went across the line, and he got bowled. So at the break, they were 37 after 10. They have a lot of work to do. So Dredd comes into the attack, and this batsman still trying to give the slips a catch, but it wasn't long after it was caught deep backward point. Ooh, batsman say have that. Dredd went back into the attack, and this was whacked towards the extra cover. Still didn't go for boundary, but the team began to pick up some. Oh, wait. What happened? Did that guy just get ball from behind him? So this is Jai bowling. I hope I'm not butchering his name. So Jai, that one was too short, bro. And this seems as if it's the first six for them. Batsmen trying to express themselves now. Trying to make the scoreline look more presentable. And Dread was surprised of that massive six. The rain was coming and we wanted to wrap this up quickly, but the batsmen were helping us too. Why did you run out the one batsman hitting runs? Joy continues trying to get these last set of wickets, but this batsman said you have to come good to get me. Have that. But it was not long after. Missed times one, and our Elder Green took a diving catch. New batsman in, and that one hit his bat real hard. Ooh, Jet put some flight on that. Flight on this one and again, and what's happening? Oh, the umpire gave him. Hard luck, bro. I think it would have gone over the stumps, but don't let it hit your pad next time. So we ended up winning the match by 104 runs. Well done.
Yes, so another victory for Port St. Lucie. Feeling so tired right now and really need to stop training so hard on the Saturdays before game day. Right now my calves very tight, very tender. Using the foam roller and my massage gun, but still need to rest. I never knew that it's so hard to score off that old ball. Very soft. I was trying to time it. Nothing, had to use a lot of strength. But good thing we made a reasonable score for them to chase. And as you can see, we defended it well. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. A lot of matches keep coming. So stay tuned and bless. Nothing but greatness.